Many divergence strategies repent and mislead traders. But today, I'm sharing a hidden divergence strategy that does not repent and can help you catch the exact moment a trend decides to continue after retracement. Here, price retraces to our moving average as usual. Here, there are two possibilities: either price breaking above the moving average or retracing downward. That's the trend continuation. So the indicators here tells us whether price will break it upward or retrace. But from what I'm getting here, there's gonna be a continuation. Let me storm into the market by placing some sales position as we continue. Okay, if you look at what I have at the indicators here, I have price making higher low and higher high, higher low, higher high. The trend line slants upward. Mind you, the MACD here is negative, which is one of the confluences in our previous video. Okay, let's look at the chart. Here, price is making a lower high and a lower low. So this kind of divergence indicates continuation of trend. So we are in a downtrend here. We are in a downtrend here. Let's check the overall trend in a higher time frame. Look at it. Okay, let's look at D1. If you look at D1 here, we have it as a downtrend because the MACD here is negative. MACD here is negative. I've seen this signal earlier, and here we'll be getting a swing trade. In other words, the market will be selling for days. But we just get a re-entry signal from H1. We just get a re-entry signal from H1. Let me quickly drop this signal in my signal groups, group. The first two signals are already running in deep profit on the paid group. So let's just see how it plays out. I'm going to be dropping the stop loss and the TPs. Here what we do is hitting TPs like no man's business. Most of the times our SLs are unbreakable. Let's watch how it plays out. Stay tuned. That should be an unbreakable SL. We're selling down to the dip. Let's still watch how it plays out. The exponential moving averages act as either support or resistance. This is a bit late entry, but if I was scalping, this moving average would have been my TP. If you look at it, the market spiked exactly at the moving average. But since I'm not scalping, I have an intention of staying in the market for a very long time. This N3 is not bad. These spikes cannot take out my XL. This SL is unbreakable based on this strategy. This market is going to sell all the way down to the deep blue sea. It's going to sell all the way down to the deep blue sea. Let's watch how it plays out. But meanwhile, let me tell you once again why I entered this trade. I entered based on the signal I got from the H1. Everything boils down to hidden divergence. Trend line sliding down here while the trend line here slides up. MACD here is negative and price is in our exponential moving average zone. Okay, let me place my arrow. Then I will go to the group and give my TPs using the Fibonacci tools today. Boom, 600 H1. Let's get our TPs using the Fibonacci tools. Let's get our TPs using the Fibonacci tools. So here I'm using the tight stop loss, and despite the fact that it is tight, it is still unbreakable. So this 38.2 will be our TP1. Then TP2 will be in our golden zone between 50 and 61.8. That will be our TP2. Then our TP3 will now be all the way to the previous low. All the way to the previous low. Okay, I just dropped TP1, TP2, and TP3 on my signal groups for free. Here we have the SL. Here we have the SL, TP1, TP2, and TP3 dropped in my group, my signal group. So far, so good. So far, so good. TP1 in a bit. TP1 in a bit. Okay, TP1 has been vandalized. TP1 has been brutalized. TP1 has been terminated. TP1 has been killed. So I'm going to update the group. I'm going to update the group that TP1 has been hit. Then I'm not going to make this video too long. You can track it. Today's date is 15th of March, Sunday the 15th of March. It is 7:51 p.m. Nigerian time. You can track this trade yourself. This trade is selling all the way down to the deep blue sea. Down. Look at the arrow. It's going down. TP3 must be hit before the SL is permitted to be broken. It is an unbreakable SL strategy. Okay, let me update the group that TP1 had been terminated while we wait for price to terminate our TP2. I have been on this trade since Sunday the 15th of March, and today is Tuesday the 17th of March. The market has been consolidating. The market has been consolidating. TP1 had been hit, but I'm still holding because I know that my TPs will be hit before my stop loss can be broken. This is the Unbreakable SL strategy. TP2 is loading, but I would not want to wait for so much to upload this video. Immediately 2P2 is hit, I am going to end this video. As I've said earlier, you can track the final result. You can track the final result. So it is TP2 in a bit. TP2 in a bit. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do, and click the notification bell so that you can get notified anytime I drop a strategy. Anytime I drop a new strategy. My strategies are winning strategies, very high profitable strategies. I have a paid signal group and a free signal group. You can check the link in my descriptions below and join. For the paid signal group, you can DM me on WhatsApp. This trade will continue all the way down to the deep blue sea. All the way down to the deep blue sea. TP2 damaged. 2B2 damaged. Okay, TP2 is damaged. TP3 loading. Bye bye.
Red dot is not good.